watch my opening video and continue with this one. I hope you have made your initial mind want to continue learn Scratch. We will use this Scratch for Kids for Dummy book as our logic to show you how Scratch can give you some the convenience when you do certain activities. Let's keep this momentum and hope you can continue follow the later videos and gradually enhance your the knowledge and the information grasped from these videos. First, you can see from this mind map is starting to expand while we move to the later videos. Now we move to become our Scratch designer. It's our part 1. And this video we starting from chapter 1, getting started with the Scratch, and then the first bullet is access Scratch on your computer. So I try to finish one bullet per video if that video content is not too much large, and let's do this all together. Again, you can come to here to go to my GitHub repository to get the latest this mind map file if you install the free plan, as I mentioned last video, or you can get that markdown format directly view from the web. So let's go to here. So as mentioned, I use VS Code to tracking the information, and I use the mind map to give you those the contents that we are working on. So we already finished the part 0. And for this one, access Scratch on your computer, there's 2 parts. And first part is the online. So you, if you want to access the Scratch online and do everything on the web, it's possible. So, but you also first you need to create our Scratch account. So I hope if you already have that, perfect. You can scroll down, to our later time frame of the video, or if you notice, let's do this all together. And secondly is we can also use Scratch offline. So I didn't make the Scratch download in this Windows 11 computer. I will do this together with you. And here you can see there's 2 icons. First icon I give you, you can, if I hover here, you can see from the bottom left corner is the scratch.mit.edu. So that is the Scratch homepage. So if I put that in the left, so that we can do this all together. And then you can see that if you click that, you will come to here. So this is the homepage. I hope you will familiar with this homepage. From here you can have a create, explore, idea, and about. The most important is you can join Scratch and you can sign in. So if you don't have our online account, let's do this together. And also I give you another link here. So if you come to here, it's directly come to this download. But you don't need to click that. You can just scroll down. You can see here within the community and the resource, you can see the third one and the resource is download. That is the link I already gave you. So let's do this all together. So first, let's move to our contents. And by the way, I already placed order on Amazon, so they still have some stock for this book. I hope it's not shipping fast. It will have a 1 week delivery time. So I hope it's by next Saturday I can have the book. Then I can show that to you. So So if you read those parts, let's move to our chapter 1. So within the first part, we have 5 sub-chapters. So we have the chapter 1, getting started with the Scratch, which we will do this video, and next we will create the comic, design the animals, build a vector robot, and the digital colleague. So that is all those sub-chapters. And within every chapter, there's a numbers of the element that we will deal with. So if we cannot do this within one video, we will try to split that a little bit. So let's continue. So first is getting started with Scratch. We will do this in the next project. So create an online project for this one, in the 10102. But first is we need to create our online account. So here we already come to here. And if you already have an account, just sign in. If you don't have that, click this join Scratch. I already have that, but I just wanted to show you here. So you can fill in a username and a password, and then you just click next. So I already have that. So I don't want to do this in another next, so I will cancel this. But you can just follow this. It's very direct. Then you can get our online account. Once you have the online account, you can go to this sign in. So either your username, or you can use the email address, I believe. Then fill in your password, then sign in. So that is the way. Once you sign in, you can have this homepage for yourself, and you can see here. You can make your own profile. So you can also change to this one. So this is the default one. Let me see. So if I click the change, and I change to my this interesting part. Oh, it's too big, maybe. Let's see. It's not allowed to change. So, but I already drawn 6 years, and you can put this something about you, programming fans. What I'm working on is learn more and create more. So those are some default words, and I have some the features project. So I already have some dummy projects here, and also you can like others projects. So if you saw from the community or from other upload a certain project or shared, you can make that favorite, and you can follow the studio and follow the other people's. And then you can have the commenting. So all those are your homepage, your profile, and my stuff is your projects. And you can share your project, you can unshare your project, that you control the access, and you have this account setting, and you can set this email, and then you can sign out, and here is the message, and here is my stuff. So these 4 are still there. Let's scroll down here. So. And by the way, so before I move to the offline, so if you read this book, because this book was written in 2015, so the author gave some the information beyond the book. Here is a web actual cheat sheet, online project updates, but all these 4 links are not working today. So that's why it's on here. So on this introduction part, I gave you this view and this about Scratch instead. So just I forgot to mention this. And then now we already have our online account. And if you want to use Scratch online. So you can directly click create because you already log in. So then you can see here that this is the main window, but we will not go to detail for now. So and later on you will see the one of our first step will delete this cat sprite. And then let's use the Scratch in the offline. Install this Scratch tool. So let's go to Scratch. You click this icon, you're back to the home page, and you already log in. So move down to this download. You can see here that is directly the download. It's not the Scratch tool. So several years before, we have a Scratch, the vanilla version and the Scratch version 2. So that's why people try to indicate this if you want to download a version, try to use the Scratch tool. But now this just the Scratch. So it can running on all of your the possible. I think most of the possible the operating systems, but not including Linux, I should say. So in Linux, is you can use either is this online, or you can find this some other type of apps. But I'm using the Windows, and if you switch to the Mac OS, you can get that from App Store for your Mac OS, or you can download from this DMG. And if you use Chromebook, also you can get that from the Google Play. Similarly, as the Android, you get this Google Play's Android version. So let me do this Windows. So get the Scratch app on the Windows Store. So that's not the same as the book and the anymore because these are also need you to have this Adobe Air. Let's see what's that mean. So either we can get that from the store, or we can have the direct download. As do this direct download, and then we get this exe file later on. So, but let's see what we have that in the Microsoft Store. So you can see now it's the Scratch 3 with this icon. I hope this will be quite fast. 161 megabyte. Just wait several seconds. You can use either way. So I prefer to use this direct download version. So not only for me, so anyone who uses this computer install, then you click this warning on Windows, then it's quite direct installing. And then after you install, you should see the Scratch from here. And on Windows, you can click these all apps. I suppose if you scroll down, go to S. You should have the Scratch folder. And not folder, just the one icon. So later on, if you want to uninstall, go to the setting and go to the apps. Then you can uninstall that. So let's close this and finish and run. So now it's a 3.29.1. So the Scratch team is always looking for understanding is how it's used. Share my usage with team and do not share my usage with team. So I can use this, just try to contribute my usage. So this view is quite similar to what we use on online. So that is depending on which one you want to use. So you can also change language here. So I know Chinese, so if I go to the Chinese, I may feel also comfortable. But for our course, we use English. And here, let's see. So from this is our extension. So that is the new versions. And then from here, the local, you don't have this login purpose. So let me see. So file, load from your computer and turn on turbo mode. And this Scratch custom sounds. So that is the meow, so code. So that is if you have this one showing, that means it's your the Scratch is already installed perfectly. So let's use this local version to do certain the files and the projects. And at the same time, is because we can load those from our computer, save to your computer. So then this is will be possible. Is we will create project folders. Then is we use that to start save our source code so that you can use that as the reference. So then from next video, let's go to the second part. Let's go see here. So we have done here. I hope is you already have your online account ready. And if you have your online account before but forgot password, try click the help and to reset your password. And I also hope is you got the either your operating system in Windows or Mac OS or Chromebook. The Chrome OS, you download the offline Scratch if you want, and open that after installation. So that is the good foundation for us to move into next subchapter. Next video, we will create a new project, and let's see what we can learn from that immediately. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.